One massive problem though, I kind of hope they don't have this because I truly am on a diet and I'm like working out and I need to just lock in 2026, no more excuses. I don't want to eat as unhealthy as I have in the past, but I gotta try it if they have it. So let's head to Target and see if they got it.
Don't walk, run to Target.
Facts. Okay, this isn't the Nerdy Nuts Dubai chocolate, but this was the first thing she put in her video. Oh my gosh, they got like Sour Patch.